Hey there, I'm Drutter, and today's April 5th, 2020. It's the 21st day of my lockdown diary here in British Columbia. I'm in the south part of the province, just a few hours drive inland from Vancouver in a smallish town. And I've been reporting on what's been going on for me here in my life and how it has changed because of the events unfolding in the world, my opinions on that, and I've been following some data. I'm not going to be talking about death figures and stuff today. People probably need a break from it. I think I do. So I'll get back to that probably tomorrow. But I've been following it for about 3 weeks now, and it does seem to be that by the end of this month there will be close to or around 1 million people dead if we continue at the same exponential growth rate that we have been on. So I'll be following that this week. But today I just thought I would show and tell, I guess, a little bit about my indoor garden here. I'm growing 12 small little cannabis seedlings. They're a week old now. That one there is not doing too well, but the rest are fairly healthy looking. These are MK Ultra strain. It's an indica dominant strain, good for making medicine. It's high in THC, but it's a good all-around medicine for making oil and extracts and edibles and other uses that Katie and I, my wife, will need to use it for. We use cannabis every day, and we don't smoke. We vaporize the extracts, so there's no smoke particles, nothing, no smoke in our lungs, no smoke in the air. It's just vaporized, pure cannabinoids. And I've done a lot of videos and articles and such on that. But so we're trying to grow to make it through this quarantine because the dispensaries have now been declared non-essential. That's a tragedy. That's a whole other video or series of videos even on that problem, because dispensaries absolutely are essential. They were first deemed essential by the government, and then apparently someone complained and said, how dare we waste our time on that or whatever. But how much time is really needed to deem something essential? Is it really, what do they have to do? How much control are they going to be exerting over this new economy anyway? I don't know. We do need dispensaries, and until then I'm going to grow as much cannabis as I possibly can in this little place with the equipment, the lights, and lack of soil. Unfortunately, I'm using soil from last season. Luckily, I don't put a lot of gross chemicals, nutrients, or in fact anything into my soil, so the soil is still clean. It's just a matter of how much nitrogen and other nutrients is left in it after the last crop has already been through here once. So we will see. And before I go, I just wanted to show you a few other things. I have some heirloom tomato seeds. This is hemp, corn, flowers, lettuce, peppers, pumpkins, sunflower, lots of different tomato seeds. And then I have some packaged stuff too. So follow this channel if you want to watch me try and grow some food. I have a green thumb, but I've never been growing in this garden before. I just moved here last fall, so we will see how I do with the cannabis and with the food. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon. Stay well.